Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guysini, Isita the enemy, right? I liked what Ujabu McDonald's wrote because it was also what I was thinking, right? I see. Spoiler alert. After their long-term battle with Rebecca Mabuza, the Sokulus will finally see their enemy get arrested for the murder of Kaya Sokulu. But is this really the end of the great Rebecca Mabuza? I did not want Rebecca Mabuza to get arrested personally. I wanted Rebecca to vamos, to go unite with her ancestors. Like, you can only do so bad for so much. I wanted her for this 6 months where they say she's got a terminal cancer condition. She must just go to hospital, lie there, not be able to bully or do anything. Just stay there, defenseless, restless, to no power, and feel how it feels to be powerless for a change. I don't know. What do you guys think?